Hi, my name's Alan Cowgill, and I know you might not know me. I'm known all over the nation as the guy that's cracked the code on finding private lenders to fund your deals. And Legacy Wealth Builders have asked me to come on in and do a very special Saturday workshop. And I want to talk to you about it for just a couple minutes. It's how to attract and convert and manage private lenders and how to do it safely. If you don't know what private lenders is and you're in real estate, you need to show up so I can teach you what they are. Um, I'm going to give you the simple rules on advertising, and I'll cover the laws within your states and words you should never say when dealing with a private lender. Why your real estate funding is causing you pain, nobody else on planet Earth is teaching that, and I can almost guarantee you that you have pain because of this item right here. And 90% of the real estate investors don't know the easy rules they've got to follow when dealing with lenders. And it's the best way to amass millions of dollars fast. There's no one on planet Earth that can teach the compliance rules for every single state except me, and I make it very simple and complete. I'm not an attorney. I don't give legal advice, but I hired an attorney to show me what was allowed within your state, and so I can teach you what that is. Now, before lunch, I'm going to cover a lot of stuff. I'm going to show you my deals on short sale and subject to. I'm going to show you how to do 5 to 7 deals a month with virtually no research time and zero marketing costs. That'll blow you away. And I'll show you some before and after pictures of my rehabs. I'll show you 5 steps to wealth and the 3 steps that you have out of order, like I talked about. And then meeting a lender. How do we do that? And then we're going to take a break for lunch, about 45 minutes. And then I'm going to cover the legal stuff within your state. It's incredible and it's very easy. The problem of it is nobody else is teaching it. And then asking for money, I'll give you the scripts. That's the hardest thing that you have is what do I say to a lender? And then the 3 key questions to success. I cover that'll blow you away and it gives you a great launching pad for going forward. And then more private money training. When is it? Well, it's January the 18th. It's this Saturday. And I'm going to give you something free that you're going to enjoy. A 71-page ebook. It's that one in the middle there, The Secret $1 million technique to get private money from folks you know. And then I'm actually going to give you 2. The one on the right I sell on Amazon, but you're going to get it for free. And the one in the middle, it's a $49 book that I'm going to load out there. So I just haven't had a chance to do that yet. But you're going to get them. You're going to get them Saturday. It's Saturday, January 18th. It's at the Hampton Inn in Poughkeepsie. And if you go to this link right here, this bit.ly/, okay, it's Legacy Wealth Builders and RIA. It's the local RIA, REIA. If you put that in, bit.ly/LWBREIA, and jump all over this. I don't know when I'm going to be back in this area. I guarantee you, though, it's going to be at least a couple years. So sign up now. Don't miss out on this. You got to crawl across broken glass to get to it. It's that good. Hey, I'm looking forward to seeing you. It is going to rock to your wealth.